Step into the world of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, a beacon of hope on the journey to shedding those extra pounds. This remarkable weight loss supplement draws inspiration from the time-tested diet of the Okinawa Islanders, renowned for their astonishing longevity and enviable lack of obesity. Now, let's embark on a journey through the wholesome, natural ingredients that breathe life into this tonic. Picture this: the infusion of bitter melon extract and the vitality of green tea extract. These components aren't just mere ingredients. They're the powerhouse behind the tonic's magic. They join forces to kickstart your metabolism and revolutionize your digestion. Understanding the science behind the tonic is the key to unlocking its incredible benefits. Feel the surge as it amplifies your metabolism, stoking the flames of fat burning within. Sense the subtle yet powerful suppression of your appetite, paving the way for effective weight management. This isn't just a supplement. It's a symphony of wellness that orchestrates your body towards a healthier you. Seamlessly incorporate Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic into your daily routine. A single scoop, a daily commitment, preferably embraced in the morning light. But as you take this leap towards transformation, always have a heart-to-heart with a healthcare professional. It's a partnership, after all, in sculpting the new you. And as we reach the crescendo, let's talk about safety and acquisition. This elixir of vitality is within your reach on the official website, a gateway to your transformative journey. The cost? A mere $69 per bottle, with the allure of discounts for those who dare to dream big with bulk purchases. In conclusion, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic isn't just a product. It's a promise of an effective, natural weight loss ally that walks hand in hand with your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. So, take that first step, not just towards weight loss, but towards a version of yourself that is healthier, happier, and more vibrant. Unveil the magic, embrace Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic today.